Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Smashfest freezing on loading screen and never reaching the game? Here's the fix. First, force close Smashfest completely from your recent apps, then go to your settings app. Here, toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds and turn it back off to completely reset your network connection. Smashfest loads adds and level data on launch, and a broken connection session can cause the loading screen to stall indefinitely. After the connection restores, reopen the Smashfest app, and if it's still stuck, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find Smashfest, tap on it, then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for it, and then reinstall it to clear a corrupted case that's stopping the load screen from completing. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal before reopening the game, since Smashfest 3D Assets needs a live connection to load on our first launch. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, force close and reopen, offload and reinstall on a stable connection. Smashfest loads past the screen and that's it. Subscribe.